Okay, so this is part 2 of the rainstorm, and there was a big there's a big thunder piece that hit that fence, and it just didn't do nothing because it was metal, so it didn't explode. And oh, did you see that thunder? I hope I get some likes for this. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm gonna have a part 3. This is part 3 is when I get out of here. This was supposed to be a dust storm, but it's just actually a rainstorm with some thunder. This is really rare in Phoenix. This is a desert. Ooh, see that thunder? People inside these offices, and they're scared. Oh, you see that, guys? Wow, guys. So this is a 3-part video. So part 3 is coming in a few minutes after this video. So this is gonna be a part of my the rainstorm series, which is just going to be today. Look at all this traffic. These people are trying to get out of the storm. Oh, look at this, look at this. The rocks are like mud right now. It's literally mud. It looks like it's night, but it's really day, so wow. So guys, each one of these videos is going to be 7 minutes long. That's going to be interesting because the third one is going to be me going out of here inside the car. And so you're going to see more of the storm. So like a lot of water coming out of those gutters. You could literally drink this water. guys. So this is really. So it's becoming really stopping. But that's just in this area. It's gonna come back. It's gonna like there's gonna be. I think it's gonna be like an aftershock, guys. Um. So this video is gonna end in a few minutes. It's starting to be boring, but you hear some thunder. Guys, I'm ending the video right here, maybe. If something doesn't happen in a few minutes, well, I'm gonna end the video. Nothing in the sky, as usual. Oh, thunder. Some thunder up there. Okay, the video's coming up. Well, it's about to end because I ended the video at 7 minutes, so. Okay, guys. We're gonna do part 3 in a few minutes. So, see you. Goodbye.